In this guide, we'll look at how to ensure your users provide essential information by setting mandatory fields in your form. First, open the menu in the top right corner and select Edit Form to enter the designer view. To make a field required, click the Edit button next to it and select Make Completion Mandatory. We'll do this for the name, the phone number, and the number of guests. Once you've marked your required fields, open the menu again and select Save to apply the changes. Now, if a user tries to save the form without filling in those specific details, the app will block the submission. An alert will appear, and the missing fields will be highlighted in red, making it easy for the user to see what's required. Once the mandatory information is entered, in this case, the name, contact number, and party size, the form is ready to go. Click Save, confirm the entry, and the reservation is successfully recorded.